Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Figma to code. This process transforms your visual designs into functional, interactive web elements. It significantly reduces manual coding effort, saving countless hours for developers. By automating this step, design consistency is maintained across all platforms, ensuring a seamless user experience. This approach empowers designers to see their visions come to life more quickly and accurately. There are several effective ways to convert your Figma designs into code. One common method involves using specialized Figma plugins that can generate basic HTML and CSS directly. Another powerful option is leveraging dedicated third-party platforms, which often provide more robust and customizable code outputs, including React or Vue components. Finally, some teams prefer a hybrid approach, using tools for initial scaffolding, and then refining the code manually for optimal performance and specific requirements. To achieve the best results when converting Figma to code, thoughtful design practices are crucial. Ensure your Figma file is well-structured with clearly named layers and components. Utilizing auto layout and constraints will make your designs inherently more responsive and easier to translate into flexible code. Establishing a robust design system with defined tokens for colors, fonts, and spacing will also ensure consistency and efficiency in the generated code, reducing post-conversion adjustments. The benefits of converting Figma to code are substantial, including significantly faster development cycles and enhanced collaboration between design and engineering teams. This approach helps maintain pixel-perfect accuracy and consistency across various devices and screen sizes. However, it is important to remember that while automation is powerful, a human touch is often needed. Always review and refine the generated code to ensure it meets performance standards and specific project requirements, especially for complex interactions or animations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.